Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a vision board. So go to canva.com and then right here at the top, search vision board. And you'll look under templates and I'll click on vision board photo collage. And there's a lot of templates there. I'm just going to pick one that's cute. I like this one. And then customize this template. And you can what you'll do is uploads right here on the left. You want to upload files. So click a new tab and just go to just type free photos. And you'll see there's Pixabay, Pexels, free pick. I like Pixabay. So just click Pixabay right there. Why are you being so noisy? And then just click on then you'll write what you want. So maybe I have a vision of me hiking something really beautiful. Maybe pick this one. This one's super pretty. And then I'll just click free download. And it doesn't matter which JPEG you pick, I'll just pick the smallest one. Download. Now it's downloading right here. Then I go to my photo collage template and I'll click upload and the recent mountains right there. And I'll click open. And now it is uploading right there. Once it's there, I drag and drop and I'll put it in that frame. Okay. So I've got a few things I've already uploaded. I have this bread. I'll just put it in that slot. Got me and Josh right there. I've got a garden. Oh, this one right here. All right. And then you can just click on this part and write 2000. Oh my gosh, what year is it? We're at 23 now. Vision board. And then just make it smaller, going over here. And you can continue to make it smaller as you want. And then when you're done, then you just click share, top right, and you click download. And then you'll just download it. And then another thing is, if you want more pictures or less pictures or to brainstorm, you can click add page and then just drag and drop, freestyle, however you want. But then when you share, download, then you'll want to pick either download the first page only or the second page only if you want them to be separate. And that way, otherwise you won't be able to separate the image once you downloaded them. It is a weird picture. Okay. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.